I am sorry for not posting and I dropped the Obey Me React to NC as Aki because I lost motivation and my ass is super lazy. I'm so sorry about that. BTW, the color of the clothes is not the same, I think, because I can't use the colors I need to use because they think I'm gonna make a gacha heat like BFFR. Oh, and BTW, in this video Himeno is still alive and I added a ship named Yoshiden. It's Yoshida X Denji. You know Yoshida when you read the manga. I'm sorry if I ship this, and you don't ship this, please don't bash me for shipping Yoshiden. You can skip the Yoshiden part, I'm sorry again. Let's go to the video now.
He's out there, be on the lookout for Captain Saber, 'cause he's saving her. Should I say her? I wanna be saved.
Listen, I heard through the grapevine that you've got a thing for Cal.
Oh no, who told you that?
Just the grapevine. There's something you should probably know. Oh man, this is hard. The thing is, me and Kyle are kind of, together.
Oh.
Yeah, he's my man. I'm more out than Kyle is, but it sucks because he acts like we're not a couple at school because he's embarrassed, but we get home and he's the best boyfriend I've ever had.
Wow, I'm sorry. I totally respect that. Hey, thanks a lot for telling me.
Cool. Just, don't touch me because I'm not into girls, so it kind of grosses me out.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, cool. Anyway, thanks a lot, and just, stay away from my man, bitch.